welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another tutorial for you guys, and it's on this look right here that I created with this month's February Boxycharm box. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and also if you guys are interested in signing up for the Boxycharm box, I will link a link down below. And also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you like it, and also don't forget to follow me on my social media that I will link down below. And with that being said, if you guys want to know how to get this look, please keep on watching. So this month's Boxycharm box came with this Pharmacy Clean Bee, which is a gentle facial cleaner. I got the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter. I got the No Pore Problem by Touch and Soul. Got the Better Than Sex Mascara. And last but not least, the Tristique, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Tristique Prime Color Lip Glaze in the shade English Rose. So I'm not going to use the cleaner because I already cleaned my face, but I am going to be using the primer. This primer smells so good. I'm going to take the Lancome Orange Concealer to cancel out my under eye circle. And I'm just going to blend it in with my finger. For foundation, I'm taking the LA Girl Pro Matte Foundation in the shade Medium Beige. And I'm just going to grab my damp beauty blender and start blending out my foundation. Next, I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Neutral. Next, I'm going to take the Pretty Vulgar Translucent Setting Powder. Next, I'm going to create the Cookie or Koki, whatever it's called, Professional Powder Highlight and Contour Palette. Then I'm going to go in with this shade and also this one. I'm just taking my dry beauty blender, going in with this shade right here, and clean up the contour. Next, I'm going to go in with the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Glow Up Highlighter, and I'm going to apply this shade as my brow bone highlight. And since this month it did not come with any palette whatsoever, I'm going to use the Meet Matte Nude by the Balm Cosmetics. And I'm going to take Matte Sai, or Saying, whatever it's called, and apply that as my transition color. Next, I'm going to go in with Matte Rosen. Next, I'm going to go in with Matte Garcia. Next, I'm just going to go in with some concealer to define my eyelid, where I'm going to be applying my eyeshadow. I'm actually going to be taking the Pretty Vulgar Shimmering Swan Illuminator, the one that came in the Boxycharm box. And going back in with Matte Garcia, I'm going to apply that color to the bottom lash line. Then I'm going to be taking the Better Than Sex Mascara. Next, I'm just going to be brushing off the translucent powder. For blush, I'm going to be taking this Benefit California blush. And for highlight, I'm going to be going back in with the Pretty Vulgar highlighter in the shade Glow Up. And I'm going to be taking it and also applying it to the inner corner highlight. To set everything, I'm going to go in with the LA Girl Pro powder. Next, I'm going to be taking the Trestique English Rose. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!